submitted the recipe after the competition, and then I think it seems quite in line with maybe how hoppy beers are brewed here, which is always cool. I think that's probably just a product of trying to make refinements over time with a lot of the information that's out there, trying to be attentive to the right things, try the right things out, iterate and make some refinements. So it's just been really in-depth, really friendly, getting closely involved in every part of the process up until now. And we're at the mash, so kind of getting to know how it's done at a commercial quality, and then think about things to consider from my own perspective or parallels to draw. So yeah, loved every second.
The catchily named HBC 586, so it's got a code number still, which means it's still in trial status. So that means it's at a stage where we're still offering it out to predominantly commercial breweries and partner breweries to brew extensive trials with, but also we were delighted to actually package it in a smaller format, so in 50 gram packets, to allow homebrewers such as Sam the opportunity to use the hop and be a part of that process. So the hop itself we're really excited about. We find it's got bunches of tropical fruit, in particular mango, some quite nice herbal qualities, and we find that the hops, when you smell them in the packet, that really translates through to the beer. So we're really excited to see how this beer is going to turn out.
It's going in keg, and we sell keg through a few wholesalers across the country, so there's no limit where it might end up. It will be available on our website in about 2 weeks' time.